Acholi Pro TV breast cancer awareness and activism, a very special message to you people. This is not a video for security purposes. It's not a news. This is a life-saving call, a message from the heart of northern Uganda to the entire nation. In the same spirit that Acholi Pro TV stood by the blind boy whose dreams were restored with a university scholarship through your unwavering support, we now rise again. Despite numerous court threats or legal threats against this channel, we still stand strong, this time for the mothers of the land, the warriors of the home, and the pillars of our homes. Today, we speak for Apiyo Christian, the chairperson of the Women's League in Chope, who is now crying out for help in a desperate battle against breast cancer. We join her in her cry, not only as journalists or media practitioners or activists, but as sons and daughters of this land. Apiyo Christian is pleading with Secretary General NRM, Right Secretary General Honorable Richard Toodwong, and all leaders across the country, especially in the NRM party, to intervene and help her access life-saving treatment. She speaks not only for herself, but for the countless voiceless women whose pain remains in the shadows.
Yeah, the Lord pay Christian. A teacher, Courage, Village, okay, Kogama South County, Noya District. Lagana Tina, not to my letter, cancer, Micha, Combeto for Chaka. She Lagati bought part of NRM Dutch, me Uganda. Send me a good team and beg me in a coin more. I take it in Malago, I can chat on, I Rebecca Chilki party. And when a year, it a party, Women League, come on, it's your own party. Kiddon't like an abetia but Toodwong Richard. I mean, I will coin more, like a chat carry at yap, can my cancer teacher and a chat king on. Kiddon't like an abetia but made one compa party NRM. Charlie like an abe burry, Kairamo Konya, ye Konya, like a bird kid with a chill, which I am the telepathy. A town and a peg long mama pool. For a man at the twine, me Rebecca, a cow Rebecca, a chunky to bake a chill. Me a real, young mamma, Ramalock, my poor pay, call me in a coin, where a na laga, like a bed one a chill. For a pot by NRM the twine, a Uganda way.
What every woman and man must know about breast cancer. Breast cancer is real and it can affect anyone, even strong women like Apiyo Christian. Early detection always saves lives. Regular self-examination, clinical breast exams, and mammograms can help detect cancer early before it spreads. Common signs of breast cancer include lumps in the breast, swelling, changes in size or shape, nipple discharge or pain, and do not ignore these symptoms. Sucking breast does not prevent cancer. This is a myth. While breastfeeding has a protective effect for women, sexual activity or breast stimulation has no medical evidence of preventing breast cancer. Main causes and risks include genetics, family history, age, lifespan, and the lifestyle choices, alcohol, smoking, obesity, and hormonal changes. Men can also get breast cancer, though it is a very rare phenomenon. To the women of Acholi land, do not suffer in silence. Speak out, get checked, protect yourself and your daughters. To our men, support the women in your lives. Help them seek care, listen to their pain, encourage screening. To the community leaders, religious leaders, and elders, and the politicians dragging us to court, it's time we break the silence. Ignorance is killing our people. Shame must not stand in the way of survival. Now my call to action is share this video far and wide. Let it reach Right Honorable Richard Toodwong, or even the president himself, Museveni, every NRM leader, every health official, and every patriot with a heart. If you can assist Apiyo Christian financially or logistically, please contact Acholi Pro Evo TV through the information provided. Organize community awareness sessions, screening camps, and solidarity to visit to those who are affected. Demand better health access in rural northern Uganda. Cancer should not be a death sentence due to poverty. This is Acholi Pro Evo TV, where activism meets compassion, where voices are amplified, and where change begins. We do not wait for Kampala to speak. We speak for ourselves. We fight for our own